Hey everyone, today I'll compare freeCodeCamp and Coursera. freeCodeCamp and Coursera are both great for learning online, but they are a bit different. freeCodeCamp is a popular free online platform offering coding tutorials, projects, and certifications for aspiring developers. Its curriculum covers web development, data science, machine learning, and more, with hands-on projects that build real-world skills. Its standout feature is its self-paced structure, allowing learners to progress flexibly. It also provides certifications after completing sections, which can be boosted to resume. The platform offers completely free access, an active global community for support, and a structured yet flexible learning path. Many appreciate the emphasis on practical, project-based learning over just theory. The site offers thousands of coding challenges, articles, and videos. However, it can feel overwhelming for absolute beginners without additional guidance. The content may not be detailed enough for more advanced or specialized topics. Some users also mention that the platform can be too text-heavy for visual learners. The platform's forum and supportive community help learners troubleshoot issues and stay motivated. It has a strong community-driven approach where learners can help each other through coding challenges. Its responsive design allows learners to study on different devices. freeCodeCamp updates its curriculum regularly to stay aligned with the industry needs. Overall, freeCodeCamp is an excellent starting point for self-motivated learners. It is ideal for anyone serious about building a portfolio while learning to code at no cost. On the other hand, Coursera is an online platform offering various courses and certificates in collaborations with top universities around the world. It offers a wide selection of subjects, from technology and business to humanities and health. The Coursera are designed to cater to various learning styles, with video lectures, assignments, quizzes, and peer-reviewed projects. Coursera also enables flexible learning, allowing students to learn at their own pace or follow a set schedule. The platform offers both free and paid options, with the opportunity to earn certificates that are recognized by top employers. Additionally, learners can pursue accredited online degrees from renowned institutions, expanding career opportunities. It provides the opportunity to earn accredited degrees and professional certificates, offering a more formal pathway for career advancement. Coursera's mobile app allows users to access content on the go, providing convenience for busy individuals. The platform also fosters a collaborative environment, with a community of learners and instructors sharing insights and feedback. freeCodeCamp is entirely self-paced, while Coursera offers both self-paced and scheduled courses with deadlines. In my opinion, freeCodeCamp is ideal for free, hands-on coding, while Coursera offers a broader range of courses with recognized certifications from top universities. Thanks for watching, hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.